My name is Dr.P.Sundaram, Assistant Professor, Dept of Chemistry, Erode Arts and Science College, Erode. The title of the topic is Aromatic Hydrocarbons and Aromaticity. The term aromatic compounds was first used by Kegel in 1865. Hydrocarbons are organic compounds that are exclusively hydrogen and carbon atoms. The fundamental building blocks of aromatic organic chemistry plays a crucial role in the various fields, including fuels, polymers, and pharmaceuticals. Uh, the fund the hydrocarbons are classified in different types of based on the structures like alkane and alkyne and aromatic hydrocarbons. Aromatic hydrocarbons are class of organic compounds that exhibit unique structural properties. Structural properties is known as aromaticity. The term aromatic compounds stands for whole series of compounds certain one or more aromatic ring in the molecule. It's composed of hydrogen and carbon and hydrogen atoms. The most well-known examples of aromatic hydrocarbons in benzene and naphthalene and anthracene. These are the examples for aromatic hydrocarbons. Benzene. Benzene is one of the aromatic hydrocarbons. It consists of six member. Benzene is a prototypical aromatic hydrocarbon. It has a hexagonal structures. It consists of six carbon atom and six hydrogen atom. The carbon atom is bonded with carbon atom is bonded together a cyclic rearrangement with alternating single and double bonds. The resonance structures leads to the delocalization of pi electron resulting aromaticity. Benzene is a resonance form, so it's a resonance form. The aromaticity concept describes the unique electronic and structural properties found in certain molecules. Aromaticity is not limited to aromatic hydrocarbons. It can be also observed in the compounds with a specific electronic structures, including heterocyclics and non-carbon based systems. Key features of aromaticity. These aromaticities, if the compound is will be aromatic, that compound have some rules. The first rule is the planar. The planarity of aromatic compounds extend to the planar with all the atoms are lying in the same plane. Then second thing is cyclic and ring structure. The conjugation of aromatic compounds possess systems pi electrons, allowing the delocalization of pi electrons in the delocalization of electron density. Then fourth one is the Huckel rule. It should obey the aromatic compound should obey the Huckel rule. It absorbs the 4n plus 2 pi electrons. The ring structures mostly aromatic compounds. Aromaticity is commonly found in the compounds 5, 6 or 7 member rings, but larger aromatic compounds are also possible. Thank you.